Oh my god, this school is amazing. Tioronda School. Don't think there's any way to get in, but it's worth checking out on the outside. Amazing. Little building right here. Don't know what that was, but amazing. Let's walk around the other side. There's some beautiful waterfalls right down over that hill. Sorry for the sun, but probably not doing this justice, but remember now thy Creator in the days of thy youth. Amazing place. What a building. Excuse me. The backside. There's that little building over there. Maybe that was a basketball or tennis courts or something inside there. Yeah, this place is boarded up solid, but it would be awesome to get in there, but there's a walkway over here. Maybe I have a nice view of this place from up here. Cool. Yep, tennis court. Water in the back. Excuse me. And what might you be doing?
Well, you won't believe this, but...
Are you on the computer again? Oh wait, that's a TV.
No, you won't believe this, but sometimes I like to just sit and be quiet.
Wait, what'd you just say? Did you just say... Okay, I want to make sure I heard this okay. Did you just say sometimes I like to sit and be quiet?
Yeah. It's so peaceful up here.
She's full of shit. Full of shit.
With that being said, I think I hear the waterfall.
Sweet.
There's
Another one over there.
These are the ones you were seeing.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, let's go down there. Wow, that's some power right there. Look at that. And there's the little falls over there. Cool. They run down to that hat factory over there. awesome, huh?
That's amazing.
So I don't know what this thing was, but kind of interesting.
So cool.
Look at this brick.
That's so cool.
Where have we seen that before?
Where did we see it?
Dennings Point Brickworks.
That's so cool. Do you think this was a fireplace?
Yeah, I mean, what else could it be? That's what I'm thinking.
Oh my gosh, that is neat.
Yeah, that is kind of cool.
That is.
Yep, there it is, hiding in the trees. Definitely a tennis court. What?
I'm just reading this sign.
Where the net goes. For tea, love.
I love it. Look at these trees growing right out of the...
Oh, look, what a shock.
Ping pong ball?
No, it's one of those plastic golf balls.
Oh.
Yeah, this is definitely a tennis court.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I couldn't tell from over there if it was basketball or tennis, but you can tell by the lines.
Yep. What's this?
Yeah, a piece of stovepipe or something. Oh, it's an old... Oh, look at that. Oh.
Ooh, careful.
It's an old water can or something.
Neat.
Or
Yeah.
you get the handle.
Wow, it's super old.
Oh, it looks like... Oh, I thought it was a heart.
It looks like it does look like a heart. Cool.
God, I'm getting as bad as you.
You've been pointing out a lot of hearts.
God. Hey, that looks like a heart. What a dork. The architecture is just amazing.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Not a whole lot of graffiti. Just really a couple little things right there, but
yeah.
all in all.
I'd love to see inside though.
Oh my God, that would be so cool.
I bet it's amazing.
Wonder if they would ever use this place again.
What?
Said I wonder if they would ever use this place again.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it's in bad a shape.
Look where probably the school bell right come from. Maybe up there.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Something was definitely mounted there.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so that was a cool ass
That was
building.
so cool.
The architecture in that building is just amazing.
In
So,
it? Did you go in it?
no,
No.
you can't. Look at
I
the
know.
boarded up solid.
I wish we
I
could.
would have if we could get
Dang it,
in,
we
but
did not break in.
no.
Ever.
But it's okay. It was nice just walking around it. The grounds were nice, and
Yeah. Oh, and we saw the waterfalls.
we
Come
saw the
on.
waterfall, so that's awesome. So, do we need a shout out or anything?
Are
No.
we going to tell them where we are?
Okay.
I said I felt like I'm at Hogwarts. You know, Hogwarts.
What the hell is a Hogwarts?
Harry Potter.
Oh my God. Okay, so we're at Hogwarts.
No.
So, anyways.
Well, whatever.
So how do we find this place?
Oh, we found it through John Medeiros again.
That's right.
He pointed us in this direction.
Yes, he
so-
did. So we took a ride by and we just wanted to check it out. We knew we couldn't get in, so. But,
Yeah, but
it was still cool being
so
here.
cool being on the outside.
But anyways, we have something else we're going to check out, so we will be back in a while, hopefully. So, bye.
Bye.